Unit 4. Tape script 4.1. Annie Taylor.
This is Annie Taylor. She's married, and this is her family. Their house is in London. She's a doctor. Annie's hospital is in the centre of town. Jim is Annie's husband. He's a bank manager. Jim's office is in the centre of town too.
Our children are Emma and Vince. Emma is 15. She's at Camden High School. Vince is 19. He's at the University of Westminster. We're all happy in London.
Tape script 4.2. 1.
Is Annie married?
Yes, she is.
2.
Where's their house?
It's in London.
3.
What's Annie's job?
She's a doctor.
4.
Where's her hospital?
In the centre of London.
5.
What's Jim's job?
He's a bank manager.
6.
Are their children both at school?
No. Emma's at school. Vince is at university.
Tape script 4.3. Who are they?
Mother, daughter, sister, wife,
father, son, brother, husband,
parents, children.
Tape script 4.4. 1.
Annie is Jim's wife.
2.
Jim is Annie's husband.
3.
Emma is Annie and Jim's daughter.
4.
Vince is their son.
5.
Annie is Vince's mother.
6.
Jim is Emma's father.
7.
Emma is Vince's sister.
8.
Vince is Emma's brother.
9.
Annie and Jim are Emma and Vince's parents.
10.
Emma and Vince are Jim and Annie's children.
Tape script 4.5. The Taylor family. 1.
Come on, Emma. Time for school.
2.
Mum, where are my school books?
3.
Bye, everybody. I'm off to work. Have a good day.
4.
Bye, Dad. See you this evening.
5.
Good morning, Mrs. Clark. How are you today?
Tape script 4.6. Elena Diaz from Chicago.
Hi, my name's Elena Diaz, and I'm from the United States. This is my family. Our house is in Chicago. This is my brother. His name is Oscar, and he's 19. He's a student in college. This is my mother. Her name's Maria. She's 47, and she's a Spanish teacher. And this is my father, Alfredo. He's 52, and he's a businessman.
Tape script 4.7. 1.
What's your name?
My name's Annie.
2.
What are your names?
Our names are Emma and Vince.
3.
Jean-Paul and André are students. Their school is in Paris.
4.
My sister's married.
What's her husband's name?
5.
My brother's office is in New York.
What's his job?
6.
We're in our English class.
7.
Mum and Dad are in Rome.
What's the name of their hotel?
Tape script 4.8. Paddy McNabb and his family.
We're from Ireland. I have a small hotel in the city of Galway. My wife's name is Shona, and she has a job as a nurse in a hospital near the town centre. We have 3 sons, Paul, Donny and Connor. We have an apartment in the hotel. Our sons, Paul and Donny, have a band, Metro 5. They're in Las Vegas now. Connor is here with us. My sister Annie and her husband Jim have a big house in London. They have 2 children, a son and a daughter. Annie has a very good job. Jim has a good job too.
Tape script 4.9. 1.
I have a small hotel in the city of Galway.
2.
My wife has a job in town.
3.
We have 3 sons.
4.
The boys have a band called Metro 5.
5.
My sister has a big house in London.
Tape script 4.10. Questions and answers. 1.
How's your mother?
She's very well, thank you.
2.
What's your sister's job?
She's a nurse.
3.
How old are your daughters?
They're 10 and 13.
4.
Who is Pedro?
He's a student from Madrid.
5.
Where's your office?
It's in the centre of town.
6.
What's your surname?
Smith.
Tape script 4.11. Who is it? 1.
Listen to this band. It's Metro 5. They're fantastic.
2.
My girlfriend is from the north of England.
3.
London's great. And my boyfriend's great too.
4.
Our sister's at university.
Yeah, she's at university in London.
5.
I like my sister's boyfriend. He's funny.
6.
Our children's school is near our house.
7.
My bank is in the centre of Manchester.
8.
Come on, United! Come on!
Yes! A goal!
4-1 to Man United!
Script 4.12. The alphabet.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N,
O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.
Tape script 4.13. A.
H J K
E.
B, C, D, E, G, P, T, V,
E.
F L M N S X Z
I.
I, Y,
O.
O
Oo.
Q, U, W,
R.
R
Tape script 4.14. How do you spell 1?
What's your name?
Annie Taylor.
How do you spell your first name?
A, N, N, I, E.
How do you spell your surname?
T, A, Y, L, O, R.
2.
What's your name?
Quentin Wrexham.
How do you spell your first name?
Q U E N T I N.
How do you spell your surname?
W R E X H A M. 3.
What's your name?
Takako Matsuda.
How do you spell your first name?
Takako.
How do you spell your surname?
Matsuda.
4.
What's your name?
Fabien Leclerc.
How do you spell your first name?
F A B I E N.
How do you spell your surname?
L E C L E R C.
5.
What's your name?
Idoia Ruiz Martinez.
How do you spell your first name?
I-D-O-I-A.
How do you spell your surnames?
R-U-I-Z, then M-A-R-T-I-N-E-Z.
Tape script 4.15. What are the letters?
VW, BBC, WWW, UK, US, UAE, NYPD, PC, TV.
Tape script 4.16. On the phone. 1.
Good morning. Laxcon International?
Hello. The manager, please.
Certainly. And your name is?
Jose González.
How do you spell your surname?
Gonzalez.
Thank you. I'm connecting you.
Hello? Sam Benting speaking.
Good morning, Mr. Benting. My name's Jose González.
2.
Good afternoon. The King's School of English.
Hello. Can you give me some information about your school, please?
Of course. Your name is?
Mayumi Morioka.
Mayumi... Sorry, how do you spell your surname?
Morioka.
Thank you. What's your email address?
It's morioka@mmdesign.co.jp.
I'll email you some information today.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Tape script 4.17. Email addresses. 1.
Your email address is?
pambola@btinternet.com.
B-A...
No, Pam. P-A-M.
Ah, okay. Pam.
Bowler. B-O-W-L-E-R.
Pam Bowler at
btinternet.com.
btinternet.com.
That's it.
2.
Can you tell me your email address?
Yes. harrylime@hotmail.co.uk.
Harry Lime, all one word,
@hotmail.co.uk.
.co.uk. Great. Thanks.
3.
What's your email address?
paulmartin@wanadoo.fr.
Paul
Martin. M-A-R-T-I-N.
Paul Martin
@wanadoo.fr.
Got it.
4.
And your email address is?
GlennaMiles@toronto.ca.
Glenna Miles
@toronto.ca.
.ca. That's lovely. Thanks a lot.